So good morning students. So let's start lesson 7, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. And it was written by Beatrix Potter. So let's start the lesson. The Tale of Peter Rabbit. So once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits. How many rabbits? 4. And their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. And they lived with their mother in a sandbank underneath the root of a very big fir tree. So sandbank means a small hill made of sand, and they lived with their mother in a sandbank underneath the root of a very big fir tree. Underneath means under the root of a very big fir tree. Now mother is saying, now my dears, you may go into the fields or down the lane, but don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Now mother is saying to go into the fields, that you may go into the fields. Fields means where the land that is used for growing crops. Or you may go down the lane, down the road, but don't go into McGregor's garden. But she is saying not to go into McGregor's garden. Now, run along and don't get into mischief. I'm going out. Now, mother is saying that now run along, now go and play and do your work and don't get into mischief. Don't be naughty. Don't go here and there. And I'm going out. Now Mrs. Rabbit took a basket and her umbrella and went through the wood to the baker shop. Now she is going to the baker shop, and Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, who were very good little bunnies, went down the lane to gather blackberries. Now the three, Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, they go down the lane to collect blackberries. It's a type of black fruit. शहतूत भी बोलते हैं जिसको. But Peter is very naughty. Now he is not, he is just as mother has told not to go to McGregor's garden. Now he is going, he ran straight away to McGregor's garden and squeezed under the gate. And the gate of the garden, there was no space, but he just squeezed from there. He just ran through that narrow space and get inside in the garden. Just he is going, and however Peter, who was very naughty, he just ran and ate some lettuce and some beans. Then he ate some radishes. Then feeling rather sick, he went to look for some parsley. So what he ate there, he ate some lettuce. Lettuce means a leafy vegetable, okay, that is used in salads also. And then he ate radishes. Then he ate some parsley also. Parsley means धनिया होता है. It is also a leafy herb. Okay, धनिया खाते हैं ना. Now, round the end of a cucumber frame, whom should he meet but Mr. McGregor? So, when he go round the cucumber frame means the frame, the wooden structure that is used for growing cucumbers. But who saw him? McGregor. McGregor was on his hands and knees planting young cabbages, and he was planting young cabbages, but he jumped up and ran after Peter, waving a rake and calling out, "Stop, thief!" So he's just running after Peter as he was eating the vegetables with the rake. This is a rake. Rake means a garden tool with a long handle and metal teeth on its head. Okay, he is just moving and waving his rake after Peter as he was eating. So, and calling out, "Stop, thief! Why you are eating? Stop, thief!" Now he was running after Peter, and Peter was most dreadfully frightened, means very much afraid and scared, and he rushed all over. He just rushed all over means move here and there and don't know where to go. And while running, he lost one of his shoes among the cabbages and the other shoe amongst the potatoes. Now he lost his shoes. Okay, one among the cabbages and the other shoe amongst the potatoes. You see? And while running, what happened? After losing them, he ran on four legs. Now he was running on four legs, and he might have got away if he had not run into a gooseberry net. What do you mean by a gooseberry net? Means the net that is used to stop birds from stealing gooseberries. Gooseberries क्या होते हैं? आंवला खाते हैं ना? Okay, so he might have got away. He might ran away from there if he had not got stuck into a gooseberry net due to his jacket having brass buttons on it. You see, he got caught in with his buttons on the jacket on the gooseberry net. That's why he was just tried to got out from there, but and he gave himself for lost. But now he was thinking that he would never be free again from this gooseberry net and started crying and shed big tears, means started crying as he got stuck in that gooseberry net. Now Mr. McGregor came up with the sieve. Now he just came up with the sieve. Sieve means a tool used for straining solids from liquids. Now he came up with the sieve, which he intended. Intended means planned to catch Peter. But Peter wriggled out in just in time, leaving his jacket behind him. But Peter somehow just got stuck out from that gooseberry net and left the jacket there. Okay, he was just running. McGregor was running after him, and he was also running very fast as he could. Now he rushed into a tool shed and jumped into a can. Now he go into the rushed into the tool shed. Tool shed means where different types of tools, garden tools are there, and he jumped into a can that is filled with water. It was a beautiful thing to hide, but if it had not much water in it, but it had much water in it, that's why. So students, we will continue this chapter tomorrow. Okay.